A route for train? Not exactly, but yeah, good try. Anyone else? Railway track, or simply track. What do you mean by track? So basically, when I said track, a railway track, it includes everything from bottom to top. Okay, bottom to top means to know from what is in bottom, what is in top, you have to go through the detail or each and every component of railway engineering. Okay, that means starting from the soil. Okay, so if you can imagine a rail moving on a railway track. Okay, I'll show you one just image. Okay, so that you can have some idea. Wait, let me first share my screen. Can you see my screen? My screen is visible, right? Please to respond. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
Okay, ठीक है. I'll go to Google and I'll show one just track. Okay, let me go. Aha. Okay. I'll show you a cross section. Okay, let me check the cross section. Yeah. Now you can see it's very nice. Okay, let me check. Uh, wait. Okay. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see the drawing? Is it visible? The cross section of train?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will not go in detail of the component. Okay, I just I'm showing you this diagram so that you have just a overview of the component. Okay, so basically, if you can see, this is a train. Can you see this train, yellow color? This train having the wheel. This is the wheel. Okay, and this is the axle. The axle is what? It is the rod joining the wheel. Okay, this is a wheel having a conical shape. Okay, you can see the drawing carefully. The shape of the wheel is a conical. Okay, we're going to discuss in later class that why the shape of the wheel of train is conical. Okay, we'll discuss about conical wheel also. So rail have a this conical shape, and this wheel are uh, you know uh, are placed over this rail. You can see this black spot here. These are railway track. Okay, these are rail. Okay, somebody is waiting. Okay, can you see? This is a train. This is the wheel. This is the axle connecting the wheel, and these wheels are placed over this rail. This one rail, and this is a second rail. Okay, along this rail, the rail is moving. We are seeing only the cross section. Okay, and this is a sleeper. We're going to discuss about this part also. Okay, this sleeper. If I go through that actual drawing, I'll show you. Okay, wait. Okay, it is there, sleeper. Yeah, if somewhere, let me check any real drawing is there or not. Yeah, I think here also you can see. Here, let me check. Not here. Wait, okay, let me come up with this. Okay, now here you can see. Here you can see this is the sleeper and this is the rail. Sorry, this is the rail and these are the wheel. These are the axle. Okay, so this rail part actually, this is the rail. Okay, having different shape. We are also talking about different shape of rail also in coming classes. Okay, so this is the rail part along which the train move. Okay, and these are known as slipper. Okay, which are laid in a cross sectional direction. Okay, along cross sectional direction, slipper. Fine. So different. It's maybe made up of steel slipper, wooden slipper. Okay, and there are some fish plate. You can see some here. You can see in a zoom fish plate. Fish plates are displayed. They are used to connect to rail. Okay, fine. And they are fastener. Here you can see the fastener. This is used to connect rail with sleeper. Okay, so these rails are connected with the sleeper with this fastener or chair. Okay, and there you can see you can also see the cross section of the rail. The top part is called head. This length is known as web, and the bottom part is known as foot. Okay, so the bottom part is foot, the middle part is web, and the top part is known as head. Okay, so this is a cross section of a particular rail, and this is your sleeper. Fine. And below the sleeper we have ballast. Ballast or sub ballast is basically made up of aggregate. Okay, so here you can see also in this line diagram also you can see under sleeper you can see the ballast. It's made up of aggregate. It is made in a particular slope, say 1.5 is to 1, like that. After that we can also provide some sub ballast having different size of aggregate. You can see the size grade, you can see, and these ballasts are also provided so that the water can drain out easily from the composition. Okay, and below the sub ballast you can see the subgrade. Subgrade, it is a kind of a soil also. It's a subgrade, it's a compacted soil. It is also made at a particular slope, like 2 is to 1, like that. And after subgrade soil we have subsoil and finally the natural soil. Okay, so from here, and what is this? This is a catenary, or you can say that's electric wire. Okay, suppose this is an electric train, and from this electric wire, the electric energy is transported, converted to mechanical energy, and it will move along the track. Okay, so from this point, from the subsoil or subgrade soil up to this catenary point, the whole component which are used or which are included in highway engineering, all are considered or known as railway track. Clear? Everything is railway track. Okay? Clear? And if I show you uh, a drawing of a train, let me check. Wait, it's not coming. Why it is not coming? Wait, okay. I'll show you one train. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see. Yeah, here also you can see this train. Yeah. Here you can see this is a standard train you usually see. So this first part is known as it is an engine. Okay, you know these things. This is an engine part which actually carry the part which is attached to its backside. Okay, so this part actually what engine, and they are say simply box. Fine, and this engine is actually known as what locomotive. Okay, this engine, the first part or head of the train is known as locomotive. Okay, and the bottom part, that bottom means the back part, that is the box are known as wagon. Okay, engineering name. These are the wagon. This is your locomotive. Okay, these are rail. Okay, and they are sleeper, and they are catenary or electric wire. Okay, so these are a whole railway track, combination of whole railway track. It is clear till now? Is it clear till now? Please to respond. Yes, sir. Okay, take it. So basically, we are actually this it is the first class, so we are going to discuss about general term of the railway engineering or history of railway engineering. Okay. So basically, we already discussed about the basic or history of Indian Railway. So let's discuss about some organization or structure of Indian Railway mainly. Basically, what is the basic structure of Indian Railway? So here I have prepared some notes. You will also get these notes in your ERP. So I'll just read it out. You can also see. Okay, is it visible now? My notes is visible. Okay, so railway engineering is divided into several zones. You also know these things. Okay, you travel in railway also. So you know railway engineering is divided in several zones, which are further subdivided into division. Okay, under each zone we have division. The number of zone in Indian Railway increased from 6 to 8 in 1951. That means up to 1951, we have 8 June. Then in 1952, it became 9, one extra added. Now in up to 2003, we have 16 June. Okay. So each zonal railway is made up of certain number of division, each having a divisional headquarter. There are total of 68 division. Each of the 16 June is headed by the general manager reported who reports directly to the railway board. And zones are further divided into division under the control of divisional railway manager. Okay, these are the structural organizational structure of Indian Railway basically. Okay, if you go to the website of Railway Indian Railway, you will also get the all the information of the basic structure of Indian Railway. Okay, now, if I go to the subsidiary of Indian Railway, so there also exists some independent organization under the control of Railway Board of Electrification, Modification, okay, Research and Design, and Training of Officers. Okay, so there are different independent organization which uh, is work as a independent organization, or you can say a subsidiary of Indian Railway. Okay, and the purpose of the particular organizations who actually work for only for electrification, or one board is only for modernization, one board is only for research and design, Another board is only for training purpose or training of officers. Okay, each of which is headed by an officer of the rank of a general manager. Under each general manager, this independent organization is work. Okay? A number of public sector undertakings which perform railway related functions ranging from consultancy to ticketing are also under the administrative control of the Ministry of Railway. That means there are also some public sector organization like for railway ticket booking consultancy. Okay, so all these things are also come under the control of Ministry of Railway. Okay, that means they are the third party, or you can say the public sector organization also have to follow the norms, or you can say they are also under the control of Ministry of Railway. Okay, so there are some list of some public undertakings or administrative control of Ministry of under Railway Minister or under Ministry of Railway. Some in the 14 public sector organizations are listed here. You can see the list of the organizations are given here. That is like Bharat Wagon and Engineering Co. Limited. That means they manufacture wagon. Okay, the box you can say that. Okay, the wagon manufacture done by the Bharat Wagon and Engineering Co. Limited. Okay, you can also go to the website there. Okay, then Center of Railway Information System. That means in railway IT system. Okay, like that, numbers of organizations are listed here. You can just go through their website and you can collect the information of the particular or individual railway public sector organization. Okay, so as you know, in India, it's a biggest railway network is there. Okay, so most employer also you can say the railway department. So it's a pretty big structure. Okay, so you can also collect general information about railway, Indian railway, like total length of track. Okay, and the length of the track also depend on the type of the track, depend on the gauge. Okay, so there's a special term rail gauge. Okay, we are discussing in coming classes what is rail gauge. We are going to discuss in coming classes. Okay, so this is all about today class. Is it clear till now? I'm closing this sharing. Let me close the sharing. Okay, now I'm going to take attendance of each and every one. For now, you have to switch on your video. Okay, if possible, you can switch on your video. Okay, roll number 2, Deepak. Everyone, please switch on your video. Okay, if somehow the link maybe stop. Okay, if the link gets stopped, it's rejoin. Okay, फिर से ज्वाइन कर लेना बिकॉज ये क्लोज भी हो सकता है, टाइम चला जाएगा ना इसलिए. दीपक, रोल नंबर 2.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video. Okay, roll number 13. Okay, roll number 2 you can leave. Roll number 13. Roll number
Sir.
13. Switch on your
Yes,
video.
sir.
Switch on your video. Roll number 13 ठीक है. You can leave. Roll number 14 is there. 14. 14 ही है ना. Roll number 19.
Oh, yes, sir.
19. Switch on your video. Roll number 19.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 24.
Yes, sir.
24 कहाँ है?
Sir.
Okay. You can leave. ठीक है. 28. Roll number 28.
Yes, sir.
Which one? Switch on your video, Krish.
Sir.
रोल नंबर 28
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है रोल नंबर 29 रोल नंबर 29 रोल नंबर 29 29 है कि नहीं रोल नंबर 32 33 36
Yes, sir.
कौन है रोल नंबर जी
36.
स्विच ऑन वीडियो स्विच
Yes,
ऑन
sir.
वीडियो ओके रोल नंबर 36 ठीक है रोल नंबर 33 है कि नहीं रोल नंबर 33 जोधा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
स्विच ऑन वीडियो ओके ठीक है लीव 37 रोल नंबर 37 नहीं है ना ओके नेक्स्ट सेक्शन बी 51 57 60
Sir,
हाँ कौन है
sir, 29 is present.
हाँ
Sir, 29 is present.
रोल नंबर 29
Yeah.
स्विच ऑन वीडियो रोल नंबर 29 ओके
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ओके रोल नंबर 51 57 60 66
Sir.
स्विच
Sir, can
ऑन
I
वीडियो
leave?
66 ओके
Sir.
ठीक है 67
Yes, sir.
67 स्विच ऑन वीडियो राजू ठीक है 71
Present.
71 कौन है ओके ठीक है 78 79 80 89